Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your own referral link on your Binance account. So basically what this will do, you can refer other people like your friends or anyone, and when they make a transaction you get a small commission, which is absolutely great. So what you want to do, you want to go to the Binance app if you're on your phone, but you can also go to binance.com on your PC. It basically works the same way. Then go to your account at the top right, this comes up. Now go to my referral ID, and here is the page of your referral ID where it tells you that you can invite friends and earn crypto. So what you want to do to create your own link, go to generate link, then we can set the commission rate. So if you do 20%, it means that I get 21% of the fees that the person that I refer, I get 21%, and the friend that actually makes the account gets 20. So we can add it for us, and then it lowers by them, and we can do that all the way up to 0% for them and 41% to us. So this is what you can do. We can also set it as default invitation code and add a note if someone created the account. Then when we hit generate links, we can find the links down here. And here we can see how much we earned, how much friends we have, and the total number of traded friends. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.